This is your day 5 wake-up call. If you have made it this far, I know you're serious about making money. I know you're serious about affiliate marketing. Remember, I didn't start this to become a millionaire. I started this to be less stressed out when I lost my job, to feel like I'm in control of my own income for once. But most of all, I just wanted to be part of my child's life. Money comes and goes, but time you will never get back. So this is my personal pledge to you. I'm giving you 4 great options to getting started, to take action, to not make this some fantasy, but a reality. It is not enough to learn. You need to set up your business and then do. You need to create. Without those 2 things, you will never earn. It's just similar to how everyone loves to buy gym memberships, but maybe 5% go, but it feels oh so good to sign up, right? Everyone loves to buy books to feel so smart. How many people open them? And much less even finish them. This is your next step to change. Commit to something for a few months. Take a chance on yourself, because that's what will ultimately determine if this is even something that is for you. Without trying, you'll never even know. The next section, I have spent hours to put together some good offers and bonuses to skyrocket not only setting up your business, but to put you in a good spot regardless if you're ready to get the best quality or if you legit don't even have $1 to your name. So check them out. Ask me questions in the DMs on Instagram, in the Facebook group. But again, congrats for finishing this challenge. Now it's a race to your very first sale. The first one is the most important. To your success, see you on the bonus page.